Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what I got in the Nykaa Pink summer sale. So if you are watching me for the first time, hi, this is Sana and you're watching Sana World. So yeah, let's begin the video. In this time I didn't bought any skincare product, I just bought only a makeup product. So let's see what did I buy in this Nykaa summer sale. The first product I'm so excited to show you is the City Paradise eyeshadow palette, which is from Mars. And also I'm so excited to use this. This is a city version palette. It's been a while they have launched this palette in the city names like Mumbai, Chandigarh, Delhi and Kolkata, I think. Actually I'm from Delhi, so I bought this Delhi version palette. You can see here the name is Dilwalon Ki Delhi. Actually that's true. Dilwalon Ki Delhi is absolutely a perfect name for Delhiites. So I'm so excited to use this palette in my upcoming videos. I'm gonna show you how it works, and this is the first product, and let's see the second product. Second product is also from the Mars Trendsetter Setting Powder. Actually, I love to use a yellow tint powder. My skin is dark, so I love to use yellow tint powder because that will give a warm look on your skin, on your makeup. It doesn't make your makeup grayish, so I love to use yellow tint powder. I have already used a Stay Quickie yellow tint powder, so now I'm gonna use this. Means now I'm gonna check this if this is working great or not. It will gonna be useful for dusky skin or not. Let's see in my upcoming videos. And the shade name is Banana, you can see here, and it retails for rupees 249, but I got in Nykaa Pink summer sale, so I have gotten discounts. And the next product is foundation, which is from the brand Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And this product is my wishlisted product from the long time, so I got it in the best discount, so I grabbed it. The shade which I bought is F12.5. Let's see it gonna be matched to my skin or not. Definitely I'm gonna review about this foundation in the next video. So yeah, the foundation which I got from this Nykaa Pink summer sale. And next is lipstick. I have bought some lipsticks. Two of the lipsticks from Sugar Pop and one is from Maybelline Sensational. Actually Maybelline is my favorite brand, and also the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte is the best lipstick for me because it won't dry your lips at all. So this is in shade 03 Flush It Red. So yeah, and also I got two lipsticks from Sugar Pop, and also I bought some of the other products from Sugar Pop. I haven't used this product yet, and also they given in a best discount price and also some offers. Actually I bought 4 products from Sugar Pop, and this one is a free one for me from this Nykaa summer sale. This is a long wear black kajal from Sugar Pop, and I got a nourishing lip balm in the shade Coffee. The packaging is very cute. Let's say these products are worth it for money or not. And the mascara, volumizing mascara, it is in shade black. The mascara I got. So I got 2 different variant of Sugar Pop lipsticks. Actually one is lightweight liquid lipstick and another one is matte lip color. It retails for 249 and it retails for 329, but I got it in a best discount price. I will give it in on my screen here or there, you can check it. And in liquid lipstick I bought the shade Mocha 04, and in this matte lip color I bought the shade Mauve. So let's see how it stays. And I'm also excited to use these products from Sugar Pop because these are the new products, and also I haven't used yet, and the packaging is so attractive. So yeah, these are the products which I bought in Sugar Pops this time. So in my upcoming videos I am sure I'm gonna review about these products. So these are the products I have bought in a Nykaa summer sale in a best discount price. So yeah, in upcoming videos I'm gonna try all these products and I'm gonna review about these products, how it stays and how it works on my skin tone, like that. Stay tuned, we'll meet you on next video soon with these products. So yeah, bye bye, see you soon.